In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Notion. We'll start right in your browser, head to notion.com and let the home page load. From here, look for the login button near the top of the screen and click it. On the sign in page, choose the Google option to continue with your Google account, then select the account you want to use. If you typically sign in a different way, that works too. Use whatever you normally use to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land in your Notion workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Add a Page. This creates a brand new blank page where we'll place the calendar. At the top of this page, give it a clear name, something like My Calendar, or anything that helps you recognize it at a glance. Using a consistent naming convention now will make it easier to find later. Next, click into the empty space just beneath the page title. This is the content area where you can add blocks. To quickly insert a calendar, type a /, then the word calendar, like this, /calendar. Notion will pop up a menu with matching options. From that list, choose Calendar View. This tells Notion to insert a calendar database right on your page, giving you a familiar month grid you can interact with immediately. You should now see your calendar displayed. Click anywhere on the calendar to begin adding an entry. The fastest way is to click directly on the date where you want your event or task to live. A small prompt will appear for a new item. Type the appointment or schedule name for that specific date, something concise and descriptive, like Team Stand-Up or Doctor's Appointment. Clear titles make it easier to scan your month later. After you've named the entry, you can press Enter to save it. The event will now appear on that date in your calendar. If you ever need to add more detail, like notes, times, or links, you can click the entry again to open its page and expand on it. For now, the important part is that your calendar is in place and ready to capture what matters. That's all you need to create a calendar in Notion. Log in, add a new page, use the / command to insert a calendar view, and start typing your entries by clicking the dates you need. With this setup, you can return any time to add, rename, or reorganize your schedule as your plans evolve.